How to fix something went wrong on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix something went wrong in Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have the Snapchat application over here and then it says something went wrong, basically it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. The very first thing is that you want to make sure that your internet connection is working just fine. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular. If you're using cellular data, try to switch back to Wi-Fi to see if that helps you solve your problem. If that doesn't help, then what I want you to do is I want you to simply go ahead and first of all long press the Snapchat app icon here. Once you long press on it, you'll see the I button pop up. You want to make sure to tap the I icon in this case. Once you tap the I option, scroll down to the storage tab here, tap on clear cache, and if possible also try to clear the data. Once you've done that, open up your Play Store and then just check and search for Snapchat. And just check if the Snapchat app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem as to how you can fix something went wrong in Snapchat. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.